So this particular video surfaced yesterday evening, and according to the man that was speaking, because they actually talked in Yoruba, he said this other man is Ashake's father. Now he's begging Nigerians to come to his aid, that he's down with stroke. He needs money for treatment. Please, Nigerians should help him. Now, a lot of people, when the video surfaced, were asking, why can't you reach out to your son? Why are you begging Nigerians for help when you have a son that can easily even fly you out of the country to take care of you? Because at least God has blessed Ashake to that extent, right? Another source came and told us that this man is a runaway papa. That this man, because he broke up with Mama Ashake, he abandoned Ashake with the mother. That he didn't take care of Ashake. So it was only the mother that was struggling until Ashake was able to stand on his feet. God started blessing him and became the popular celebrity that we all are celebrating today. Now that the man is down with stroke, he's now coming out to say, Nigerians, help me. When he came out, he had to put Ashake's name forward so that people will know that he's Ashake's father. Now, the question I am asking, what kind of relationship did he have with his son when his son was still growing? Now, this is what we are talking about. When we preach these things on social media every day, I keep saying, as a man, as a father, even if you are no longer in a relationship with the mother of your children, you and your wife, you guys are no longer together, or maybe you were never even married, you guys just had a baby or had kids out of wedlock, and you are no longer together, do not abandon those children with their mother. Don't come out and say you want to use those children to punish their mother and make sure they take care of them. You go suffer. I'm telling you the truth. Children of these days don't be like children of those days. You know, those days they will say, papa na papa. I'm even still seeing it in the comment section. Regardless of what happened, he should go and take care of his father. Do you people know how Ashake suffered? Do you know if his life would have been better earlier than this time, if only the father was there to contribute? But no, the man abandoned his son. I don't even know if maybe he gave birth to other children with Ashake also. Maybe Ashake has siblings from the same mother that he abandoned. Now look at his life. This is what we keep saying. Nobody is wishing anybody to be sick, but don't ever do that. Because not be as you did now as a man. Not be so you go be in the next 10-15 years. Not be so you go be in the next 10-15 years. You think you will be strong in the next 10-15 years, 20 years, the way you are strong now, frolicking around, sleeping around. You have abandoned the children with their mother. You think you will remain like that? No. No. But you people will not listen. When we preach this, say, single mother, they are pain. What's our business? My own is to tell you the truth. Because at the end of the day, you people will not come out and start making it look like, it's the mother that turned the face of the children away from their father. It's the mother that turned the face of the child. How did the mother do it? No pikin, they forget papa will take care of her. Let me just tell you that. No pikin, not be even papa, anybody will take care of pikin. Pikin, no, they forget her. Even if he never they give you the money, no say maybe he no get, or maybe he's occupied. He know there you go be say when pikin dey small, he know say you, this man, this woman, whether you are the biological father or not, or you are the biological mother or not, they contribute to my life. He know there you go be where he be say that pikin go grow, God don't bless, I not go remember you. So it's not by now the mama turn your face, now this one turn your face. If to say you truly be papa for that pikin life, the mama not go even fit turn your face. The mama they talk come at you, tell mama say, stay one side. I know how my papa take suffer for me. Okay, as me come dey like this now. Now my mama wan come tell me the suffer wey my papa suffer for me. I mean, now my papa wan come tell me the suffer wey my mama suffer for me. Me, I no come get my own sense. I get my own sense. You men should learn to do better. You people do this a lot. That's the reason why we have lots of single mothers everywhere. And you people will still be the one coming to the media to complain. Single mothers are everywhere. Why won't there be single mothers everywhere when we have a lot of runaway, irresponsible, deadbeat fathers everywhere? The way you men used to abandon your children, if their mothers decide to be abandoning them like that, who will take care of them? Who? That's why we have a lot of dysfunctional people in the society today, because the way God did it, a father and a mother is supposed to come together and take care of a child. But when the father is not there, the mother is struggling to be the father and the mother, there will always be a hole, a gap that the man is supposed to feel. Make una no dey abandon una children with their mama. You people think it's a way and a flex. It's a way of suffering the woman. Oh, if she dey with plenty children, she no go see husband. Who tell you? Man wey go marry and go still marry. God go still help her, she will train those children. But at last, I see Asake papa now. Asake celebrity papa, they beg for social media. Say, make they help her. He dey down with stroke. How much they take the 3 stroke? How much? See life. I hope you run away irresponsible fathers learn from this. If you did this comment section, you know say you don't abandon pikin with woman. Go back and start taking care of that child now. Go and take care of your child. No be person force you knack. That pikin no beg you to come alive. Now you go knack without protection. Pour this thing. Now pikin come. Now you, because say you and the woman or the mama not there together, you won't abandon the pikin. Then later in life, you go say that the mama now he turn the face. If you try that kind of thing, even universe will fight you. Your child is your responsibility. Do the best you can do. Let the mother do the best. Even if you and the woman not there together again. If the pikin don't grow to the extent say if he come visit you, let he or she come and visit you. Visit the child. Take care of the child. That's why I like AY. See AY, comedian AY. He with his wife no day again. When he go London that day for a movie premiere, he used the opportunity to fly go his daughter's school. His senior daughter, 17 years. He go to his daughter's school, go organize birthday party for the girl. Carry him, she and her friends, so we go out, small chop and all those things. All these little memories, they make matters to children. Okay, imagine say that girl now, tomorrow you don't come become adult, where don't come get money, God don't bless her. Then the mother maybe one come tell and say, do you know your father didn't take care of you? Now the pikin will tell and say, shut up. Oh. You think say I forget my papa they come meet me for school, come they organize birthday party for me. Nobody can turn such a guest eye against the father now. Because he's playing his role. But when another year war, I know someone go say cost me. Continue. At the end of the day, now you go come beg money for social media. Shalom.